Hiya friends, Amy here, and I have a super quick little fun snarky card to share with you today. This is a new stencil. It's called Curved Sweep. It's from the March release at a Colorful Life Designs. It's just one of many awesome stencils in this release, so be sure to check it out when you're done with the video. But I'm just going to do some very simple colorful ink blending with my Catherine Pooler mini ink pads here, showing you the finished design. Came together so quickly, guys. Seriously, if you need to make a card in a snap, then this design might work for you. So basically, I'm going to do some ink blending directly on a card base. I have a side folded A2 size 110-pound classic crest Nina Solar White, and I'm just kind of putting my stencil over it on my Wendy Vecchi Make Art station, holding it down with the magnets. And then I just have 4 colors here of these Catherine Pooler inks with the intention of making a rainbow. So I'm just going from this Samba into this yellow color, which I can't recall off the top of my head, but it is in that set of mini ink pads. And I'll link all the details in the video description box below. But I'm just moving on to this Grape Crush color just to kind of finish up my rainbow. And that puts kind of a cool, simple background to kind of set the stage for the design that I'm going for here. So isn't that so fun? I feel like you could use this so many different ways. So here, to make it super quick and easy, I have my critter book. This, if you've watched any of my other videos, I have one for my sentiments and I have one for my critters, but these are already colored and cut out critters. So I've got them in these little baseball card protector sheets, and they're there when I need them. So just kind of flipping through, seeing what my options are here. I have lots of bright and colorful critters, but I thought, hey, this bunny is adorable and the background is colorful enough, so I went with the bunny as a cute little neutral, just making sure there wasn't something else I want to use. And ultimately, yep, I decide on this little gray bunny. So I have a set of simple strips here. I'm trying to decide which one to use, but these are Tailored Expressions simple strips, and these are also storage boxes from Tailored Expressions to hold said simple strips. That's a lot of S's. Anyway, I pick one that says sarcasm is my love language. So if you know me, then you probably know I'm quite sarcastic. So that sentiment, it speaks to me, right? So I'm using some foam tape just to kind of pop up the little adorable bunny and cut it into pieces just so it has kind of even dimension and doesn't get crushed in the mail. So I'm mindful to put little strips behind the ears and the little feet. And then I have these little simple strips. They're actually not the Doris brand. I got them off Amazon. You get a ton for like $10, so I'll link those as well. All the products will be in the video description box below. This is a corner chomper. I'm just using this to give the card a little bit more interest. So I'm just doing a couple of the corners there. I like to do opposite. I think it kind of gives the card a little unexpected shape. So that finishes my card here. Super simple, easy, came together in a snap, and full of snark, which I like. So I hope you enjoyed the card. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I'll link all the products that I used in the video description box below. If you use those links, I might make a small commission at no additional cost to you. So I really appreciate it. It does help support my channel. And be sure to check out the rest of the March release. It's an awesome one. You don't want to miss it. So thanks. I'll catch you next time. Bye.